You will like it. This is nice. So mga kapuso, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Cheers. Good evening mga kabunso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin, and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make Moscow Mule Mocktail. Moscow Mule Mocktail, yes, you're right, without alcohol. So I made this mocktail for you because I know some of you is not drinking alcohol, so this mocktail is for you. So let's do it for this mocktail, Moscow Mule mocktail. So this is all we need. We need this ginger ale and grenadine syrup. If you have sugar syrup, it's fine. And lime. We prepared with rock glass. So mga kamuso, let's start. Then think 4 pieces of lime. This is very easy. Just squeeze the lime and drop it. Squeeze the lime, drop it. Okay, 4 pieces of lime. 4 pieces of lime wedges. And then we need the ice. So ice. And ginger ale. Ginger ale. This one is without alcohol. Nice. And grenadine syrup. Just like 5 ml. 5 ml only. Nice for the sweetness. So if you have sugar syrup, it's fine. And then just stir. So you can do this one in your home. This is very easy to make. Just ginger ale, grenadine, and lime. See? But like I told you, if you have sugar syrup, it's fine. Sugar syrup, lime, and ginger ale. Alright, almost done. With a garnish, you can cut the lime will garnish. So look at that, it's nice and strong. So now here we go. Now you have Moscow Mule Mocktail. Cheers. So mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share. So mga kabunso, thank you very much. Cheers. And this is the moment for of course we need to try our drinks. So you will like it. This is nice. So mga kapuso, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Cheers.